Alright, what up y'all, and welcome back. Another episode of Woodstock TV, and we messing with some Mustang Halos today. So he's up to what, 99, the 04 Mustang, retrofit, demonized, all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead, bust this box open and get started. Alright, so we gotta take these clips off. Like it's just one. Yep. Just one little clip, pop that off, and no screws or anything. So I can just go ahead and get some heat and heat all these seals up and pop them open. Would be one screw in here that they covered up with sealant, so you couldn't even see it, but one screw. Alright, the lens is off. Now I gotta get this out the way so the projector can fit. You just bend this out. There we go. So that's off. So once you get the headlights apart and you get that reflector off, just drill a hole in here for the wires to go through, which is all of these for the demonized and for the high-low. But on these projectors were a little too big to fit in there, the shroud at least. So I had to cut the bottom and the top so it'll be more flat, so it'll fit inside this gap. But once you do that, let me put this one down. Once you cut that, you'll be looking like this headlight. Let me bring this to the light. So yeah, you'll be looking like this one, so it'll fit perfect. And yeah, like I said, just had to cut the bottom so it don't hit this the plastic housing or whatever. And then the top probably could have stayed, but you know, I went ahead and cut that just to make sure the clearance was good. So no problem with anything fitting. And that's that. So time to put this actual projector inside of the other side. So like I said, just run the wires through. I got this rubber piece on the end of this one to kind of cushion it against this, and then you just bolt this in place and you can seal it back up, and that'll be it. Alright, what up? So I'm back. New shirt just came in, new What's Stock merch, so whatstock.com if you're looking for it. But anyway, back to these Mustang headlights that they are sealed up and ready to go. So I'm gonna show you those real quick. Alright, so we're back with the Mustang lights. These have the Retrofit Projector and a lot of dust on them. They've been sitting up for like a day and a half or whatever, but they are sealed all the way around. Use the regular sealant that came with it, and then a layer of black RTV all the way around it. Same with this one, so sealed all around, even on the sides. And all I got left is put these HID bulbs in here, which I still got to do the little prong thing or whatever that's gonna hold it. And yeah, that's it. Just HIDs, and then they'll be ready to go back in the box. I got a What's Stock logo somewhere. I think it's in the house, so that's going in the box too. But this is the remote. This one actually comes with 2 remotes, so it's kind of like the Op 7 kit. So not bad at all. But yeah, let me go ahead and find my screwdrivers and stuff, put these in, and be time to start on the next project.